Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Performance-based budgeting is an approach where you don't just fund a project or a program based on the funding that it received last year. It's really based on defining the objectives that the project or program has, the specific key performance indicators that you want to see tied to those objectives, and then the results that you get along the way, you evaluate based on those metrics. What you do then is you fund a project based on what you expect the return on investment to be or the cost savings to be. So with performance-based budgeting, what you're able to do is you're able to look across all of your projects as a portfolio and then determine which ones will have the greatest yield back to the organization or back to the sponsors that are providing the funding. What you can then do is you prioritize and you fund the projects that have the greatest return or greatest cost savings, and perhaps you delay the ones that you don't. What you can also do is you can create stages or phases within your projects and set milestones with objectives and metrics for each of those milestones. You can then fund a project to a milestone, evaluate it, and then decide to stop the funding and stop the project, or to continue the funding based on achieving certain milestones. That's called a phases and gates approach. Either way, the idea is that you want to tie funding to specific goals and objectives and measure those so that you can have a more strategic approach to budgeting. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.